Hi, I'm Pradesh. My register number is ULK18CS005. In this video, we are going to see System Software and Compiler Lab. Exercise experiment number 6. Heading of the experiment is simulation of deterministic finite automaton. So in this we are going to simulate the working of a determinate finite automata DFA. This is our description, and algorithm is an input string x terminate by an EOF character, a DFA D with start state SO and set of upset the state F accepting status F output the answer yes if DFA accept the string no otherwise. So this is a method s is equal to s0, and the simple input is this, the output will be s, and the program is this one. This is the program. First it will ask enter the number of states, and it will ask enter the states, and we need to give in a string or whatever, a1 to a b like that. After that it will ask for number of keys, so it will be, we can give 1 or 2 or 3 like that. After that it will be for the keys, which are the keys we are going to give, like 1 2 or a b like that it will goes. At final state we need to give for like c or 3 like that we can give. It will count our length. So for I in range length, this will be calculated by the length. If the statement is true, it will go straight into the enter the string to check. For I in q start convert start I, and it will print accept up. If it's not true, it will print denied like that it will give. So in this, so this is our code, our output for the code. So let's see how it's work. I'm doing this in GDP compiler Python. So let's run this program. This is my program. Let's see how it's work. Here it's asking number of states, so here I'm giving number of states is 3. So asking for state A, B, C. After that it will be asking for our number of keys, so I'm going to give 2 and enter the keys and 2, and the final state is C. So after that for A, if I1 goes, it will be asked like A, and A if 2 goes, that's B, D if 1 goes, C. Now we are going to check whether our string is work or not. It is denied, it's not working. It is accepted, this is working. So this is our input and output of this code. So let's this is simulation of deterministic finite automation is done. Thank you.